Let's call this lesson one for adults. You got your hand, and your thumb is the first finger, and your index finger is the second finger. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Now, on the piano, there's a pentatonic scale, and it's 5 notes, the black notes. 1, 2, 3. We're going to skip the fourth scale degree. 5, 6, and then go back to the tonic an octave above it, which is 8. 8 equals 1. So it sounds like 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. This makes for pleasant sound. Call it wind chimes or something like that. Now, if we take the 5 fingers of the hand and for a first exercise, learn how to just go like this, where 1, that requires a little accuracy. You learn how to do things, and you switch it up on the first note you start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The second exercise would be to go just with the first 3 fingers. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The third exercise would be to use the fingers 3, 4, and 5. The fourth exercise in the piano, when you're doing arpeggios or across octaves, you have to cross the thumb, number 1, and you have to cross the third finger and the fourth finger. And so what will happen is the thumb goes underneath. So if we just do the pentatonic scale just using black notes, crossing using only the first and third finger, we'll develop a skill quickly that we'll need later. 1, 2. The next would be use the fourth finger, 1 and 4. 1 and 4. That's a hard stretch. Hard stretch. So those are some beginning exercises. So far we've demonstrated those just with the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it was 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then it was 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And then we went 1, 3, 1, 3. And then we went 1, 4, 1, 4 to introduce crossing the fingers under. Then the next thing to do would be to do it with the other hand. Going through those exercises. The next thing then would be to do it with both hands together. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so when you can do both together at the same time, going through the, I guess, 5 exercises we've come together with here, the next step after this one would be to start learning hymns that are based on the pentatonic scale, such as Amazing Grace.